This is your host, Miss Maggie, with today's household hint for gardeners. Before you go digging in the dirt, run your fingernails across a bar of soap. Makes washing your hands later easy peasy. And speaking of dirt, you dealing with some in your life? Maybe it's the man whose name was once sweet as honey on your tongue, but now burns your lips. Or maybe it's the woman who acted like she was your best friend till it became clear as a freshly washed window she wasn't. Few things are as hard to stomach as betrayal. Only someone we've loved deeply has the power to hurt us that badly. You can't change how he cheated on you or how she failed you when you needed her, but here's what you can do. Rise up. Rise above the betrayal by refusing to let the one who hurt you bring you down. Rise up by rejecting retaliation. Rise up by remembering that God sees what others don't and He will never, ever leave you. Rise up. Life is sweet, y'all. Have another slice.